today's digital age, one of the most common threats to our sensitive data is phishing emails. These are deceptive messages that trick us into revealing personal information, often posing as trustworthy entities. The first red flag of a phishing email is often the sender's address. If it's from an unfamiliar source or a known contact, but with a strange email address, it's time to be cautious. It's important to remember that legitimate companies usually use their own domain names in their email addresses. Another common sign of a phishing email is a generic greeting. Phishers often send out mass emails and, as such, don't have the time or resources to personalize each one. If an email starts with "Dear Customer" or "Dear User," it's worth taking a second look. Phishing emails often create a sense of urgency. They may ask for immediate action, like updating your account details or verifying your password. They might even threaten with account suspension or deactivation. It's crucial to remember that genuine organizations will not rush you into providing personal information. Lastly, look out for poor grammar and spelling mistakes. While everyone can make a typo, multiple errors in a professional email are a clear sign of phishing. Legitimate organizations take pride in their communication and are unlikely to send out an email riddled with mistakes. By staying vigilant and being aware of these common signs, we can protect our sensitive data from phishing attacks. Remember, when in doubt, it's always safer to avoid clicking on any links or downloading any attachments, and to directly contact the company in question.